Okay, so this is how my 2015 QX60 running right now. I don't know if any of y'all be able to help me, but I getting some bad shut up. Take off coil of cylinder 2. Take off coil of cylinder number 4. Coil of cylinder number 6. You know.